Have you ever wondered why some people make money while they sleep, while others are stuck trading time for money forever? Here's the shocking truth. 73% of people never achieve financial independence because they're focused on the wrong income source. They chase promotions and side hustles when they should be building passive income streams. And the best part? You don't need to be rich to start. In this video, I'm showing you the exact framework I used to turn $10,000 into $500 of monthly passive income. More importantly, I'm showing you how to scale this for your situation, whether you have $1,000 or $100,000 to invest. Let's start with the fundamentals. Passive income sounds mysterious, but it's actually simple. It's money you earn without trading your time. The catch? You need to invest time up front and capital to build the machine that generates it. There are three main vehicles we're focusing on today: dividend stocks, real estate investment trusts, or REITs, and index funds. I know you've heard these terms before, but most people don't understand how to actually use them to hit specific income goals. That changes right now. Let's talk math, because this is where most people get lost. To generate $500 monthly passive income, you need $500 multiplied by 12. That's $6,000 annually. Now, here's the question. What yield do you need? If you're investing in dividend stocks that yield 5% annually, you need $120,000. But if you're building a diversified portfolio with a blended yield of 7%, you only need roughly $86,000. But wait, you said you only have $10,000. Here's where most people give up, but they shouldn't. Let me explain why. You have two options. Option 1. Invest your $10,000 today and let compound growth work for you over time. At a 7% annual return, your $10,000 grows to $27,000 in 14 years. That's $1,890 annually in passive income. But that's slow, right? Option 2, and this is the real strategy. You invest your $10,000 today and continue adding to it monthly. This is called investing with contributions, and it's how regular people actually build wealth. If you add just $200 monthly to that $10,000 and earn 7% annually, you hit $86,000 in under 6 years. That's when you're generating $500 monthly from dividends alone. Now let's build your actual portfolio. We're not putting all $10,000 in one place. That's how people lose everything. Instead, we're diversifying across three main buckets. Bucket 1, dividend aristocrats and dividend growth stocks. These are companies that have consistently paid dividends for 25 plus years. Think consumer staples, utilities, healthcare. They're boring, but they're reliable. Allocate 40% of your portfolio here. Bucket 2, dividend-focused ETFs and index funds. These automatically diversify you across hundreds of companies. A fund like SCHD gives you exposure to high dividend stocks across different sectors. Allocate 35% here. Bucket 3, REITs. Real estate investment trusts let you own real estate without managing properties. They're required to distribute 90% of taxable income to shareholders, so yields are often 3 to 6%. Allocate 25% here. With a $10,000 starting investment, that's $4,000 in dividend stocks, $3,500 in ETFs, and $2,500 in REITs. You're not getting $500 monthly today, you're building the foundation. Here's what kills most people. They expect results immediately. Real passive income takes time. That's why I'm showing you realistic timelines. If you're 25 years old and you invest $10,000 today, plus $200 monthly at 7% returns, here's what happens. Year 1, $12,000 invested, roughly $840 annual passive income. Year 3, $17,000 invested, roughly $1,190 annual passive income. Year 6, $28,000 invested, roughly $1,960 annual passive income. Year 10, $38,000 invested, roughly $2,660 annual passive income. Year 15, $55,000 invested, roughly $3,850 annual passive income. Year 20, $77,000 invested, roughly $5,390 annual passive income. Year 25, $103,000 invested, roughly $7,210 annual passive income. That's your path to $500 plus monthly. It's not sexy, it's not quick, but it's real, it works, and you can start today. Now, let's address the mistakes I see constantly. Mistake number 1, chasing yield. Some investments promise 10%, 15%, even 20% yields. Run. Those are either lies, scams, or extremely high-risk investments where you could lose your principal. Stick to 5 to 8% yields from legitimate sources. Mistake number 2, not reinvesting. When you get your dividend payments, automatically reinvest them. This is where compound growth accelerates. Your dividends earn dividends. It's powerful. Mistake number 3, panic selling during downturns. Markets drop. Dividends get cut. This is normal. If you sell when you panic, you lock in losses. The companies that survived the 2008 financial crisis still paid dividends. They recovered and continued growing. Patience wins. Mistake number 4, trying to time the market. Don't wait for the perfect moment to invest. Start now with dollar cost averaging. Your monthly $200 contributions happen automatically, regardless of market price. This actually protects you. Here's your action plan. Step 1, open a brokerage account if you don't have one. Fidelity, Vanguard, or Charles Schwab are solid choices. Step 2, invest your $10,000 according to the portfolio allocation we discussed. Step 3, set up automatic monthly contributions of whatever you can afford: $50, $100, $200, $500. Step 4, reinvest all dividends automatically. Step 5, review quarterly but don't obsess. Check in once every 3 months. Rebalance once yearly. Step 6, increase monthly contributions whenever you get a raise. This accelerates everything. This isn't revolutionary. It's not a hack. It's the boring, reliable path to wealth that actually works. Every billionaire and millionaire I've studied used this exact strategy: investing consistently, diversifying, and letting time do the heavy lifting. Your biggest competition isn't the market. It's your own impatience and discipline. Most people quit in year 2 because they haven't hit $500 monthly yet. That's exactly when the magic starts happening, when compound growth accelerates. So here's my challenge to you. Commit to 6 months of this strategy. Invest your initial $10,000, set up your monthly contributions, and check back in 6 months. You'll have the foundation built. Then commit to 1 year, 2 years, 5 years. This is how regular people become financially independent. If this framework is helpful, I want to hear from you. Drop a comment below with your passive income goal. Is it $200 monthly? $1,000? $5,000? Tell me your number and tell me your timeline. Let's build a community of people who are actually serious about financial independence. Thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button so you don't miss the next video where we dive deeper into specific stocks and ETFs to buy right now. See you in the next one.